Today we're testing what robot vacuum battery life looks like in real use. Most brands quote ideal runtimes, but those tests usually happen on perfect floors with low suction settings. In real homes, rugs, dust levels, and navigation errors drain power much faster. During the first run, performance feels strong, but as the battery drops, movement slows and cleaning patterns become less consistent. Some units return to charge early, leaving areas unfinished, while others push too far and lose suction near the end. The important takeaway is simple. Advertised runtime is rarely your real runtime. What matters is how much clean floor you actually get before the robot needs to stop. And that difference can completely change whether a model feels efficient or frustrating after daily use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Buy smart and save your money.